Hey everybody, welcome to the Dashboard channel. This week we're taking you out to the North Jacksonville Baptist Church for their annual car show. It's always a big show, and this year didn't disappoint. It was huge. It was massive. Anyway, this is going to be the Walkabout cam. We didn't really get a lot on the Walkabout cam because it's so huge. You can't just, walk around the whole thing all at once. You'd run out of time on your phone. So, anyway, it was massive. I don't know how many cars were there, but it was a huge number. I don't even know how to describe how big it was. But anyway, we took a lot of video, a lot of pictures. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.
Door prizes. We've got great door prizes, including 2 tickets to Daytona Cote 400 and also to the Gator National. Great tickets for that. You can a pair of tickets to each of those. You can win those. You can win some gift cards. We've got some wonderful gifts from our good friends at Napa. And we appreciate their support with a lot that they've given us, so we appreciate that. So make sure that you filled out your door prize. Get that door prize filled out, put it in there, and then also get your ballot for voting for your favorite car. But I do like to hang out with
Good, how are you?
We'll go ahead and try to get it in a second. These?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here, I'm sure you're ready.
So like it's, you get ready
Is
to
it
fly.
TV in the back and everything?
About ready to fly, ain't it?
Yeah. But no, I don't remember the part you said about that was my, I don't know where he is.
They did.
Yes,
They got the same house. Then I paid for the thing, didn't it? $95 a month.
get what's called dry tip when you're spraying fine, where it tips you dry out. You know, we're trying to get that to work right. That was just a little bad practice. This was just still, I'm not happy with it, but this was just a little, I got to work on my drawing.
All right, folks, just a couple announcements to remind you, we got great food trucks up there. Make sure you go by and check out all the food trucks. Go by and visit our folks with Jars Mission. They got some incredible things going on around the world and dealing with four-wheel drives and so forth, using them to present the gospel.
So this original is probably not too many.
There's not that many.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
I retired and
That was his retirement job. Now he has to have a new one.
trouble, right? Yeah. I haven't figured out what my next job's gonna be, but
Well, that's great. It's nice to see a lot of work.
Yeah.
Still drivable. And
oh yeah. We go down the highway at 75.
yeah, it's great. It's great. Well, congratulations. I like it a lot.
Thank you.
I'm glad I
Appreciate
saw one. I
Yeah.
never seen one.
It's a rarity.
Oh, man.
What year's yours?
2011.
There's a 12.
Door prizes. We've got great door prizes, including 2 tickets to Daytona Sept 400 and also to the Gator Nationals. Great tickets for that. You can, a pair of tickets to each of those. You can win those. You can win some gift cards. We've got some wonderful gifts from our good friends at Napa. And we appreciate their support with a lot that they've given us, so we appreciate that. So make sure that you filled out your door prize. Get that door prize filled out, put it in there, and then also get your ballot in and vote for your favorite car.
But I do like to hang out with
That's give them housing, give them insurance,
whatever it is. There you go.
Good, how are you? Morning.
Gary, thank you. I'm Keith.
We'll go ahead and try to get it in second gear.
All right, everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the North Jacksonville Baptist Church annual car show. I think this car show gets bigger every time I go. I mean, I'll admit, last year's isn't one to go by because we had just had a hurricane. So, but I went before and it was every bit as big as it was this time. So it was huge. There had to have been 400, 500 cars in there. I mean, they had them just packed everywhere they could put them. And all kind of cars. New cars, old cars, old cars. Custom cars, burnout cars, all kind of stuff. They had a little burnout contest. I don't know. I didn't stick around for that. I had another show to go to across town. Or right down the road. But anyway, we enjoyed the show. We took a lot of video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video from the show. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. Any little bit of help you could be on that. You know, comment, subscribe, whatever. Click the little button. Make all the YouTubey things happen. We're trying to get to 500, and we're at 300 right now. So we're just grinding it out to get to 500. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep them coming at you.